Onsay check ka sa parlor. True. Check ka rin na, uy. Oh my God, really naawa.
UCSP.
Hello!
God, hi Bash! Hello,
Bash.
everyone!
Hello,
Kamusta mo
everyone.
ka? It's been a while.
Last week, pagani. I'm okay. I'm doing fine. It was just an ordinary week for me.
How about you guys? Kamusta na mo?
Bitaw, kumusta mo? How is it? Oh, by the way, before anything else, I would like to say everybody to keep safe. It's because the weather now is very, kuan di ba? Marag, o kasabot, muuwan, muinit, and then
Very unpredictable.
yes, and then
And that's the reason why you're wearing
yes, it's
hoodie,
because
of the
grabe
cuddly
ka
weather.
kusog sa uwan sa amo and kusog kang hangin sad.
Mm-mm.
That's why I'm wearing kan hoodie now.
Very
So
cozy nga outfit today.
yes.
But the makeup is still
No, I'm
popping.
not wearing any. Yeah, comment down below if you
If makadetect mo
makadetect mo
nga
if I'm
All right, it's another week, another episode. This
Yes.
is Lyle.
Oh, by the way, this is Shane.
And you're listening to
UCSP. Unsay check sa parlor. Yes. Ikaw, Besh, how are you, by the way?
Okay ra.
Noong sa onjud? Okay, ah.
Nga.
Nga, onjud siya.
Wala magi. For a person who's working from home, wala gi exciting ang mahitabo, no? Other than, just waking up, cook for yourself, and then trabaho na sa balik. And that's it.
Bita mausad yun na ang kailangan sa attorney. I'm not saying it's the negative side of working from home, but I think that would be marag ka lang ang kuan biya. It's a routine naman gud ba?
And since we have sedentary job
Lifestyle.
makovi gid ka, you'd gain
Oh
weight.
my God,
You
you
become
look
unhealthy.
okay. Di naman ka tambok.
Plastic. Naguot mo gani akong short dire.
Feeling ganina ako marag first time ko nagkuan ka marag hipos kayo walay
Ako siya
revealing.
gitaguan. Oh, okay, because I realized katong nakita na ako atong episode last week, I feel like, oh my God, I'm showing so many
skin.
I was showing so much skin.
Pero
from
okay
last
man sad
week's
siya.
episode. But it was okay.
Okay raman, and then it was not very revealing naman sad anyway.
But kailangan ako revealing, but wala mo kayo ma-reveal.
Pwede naman sila ka mag-reveal. Let me get coffee for this kind of weather.
Exactly. Oh my God. So unlike our past episodes, I guess for this episode, we kind of talked about it a little. We talked about it over the weekend last week after shooting last week's episode. And then we already agreed, like, the moment I opened it up, Shane was like, okay, ganahan ko ana.
Fight.
And then napalami sa car, sige may katawa siya. I told him, let's just not talk about it. Otherwise, wala, ma-spoil na tanan natong chika.
Correct. And then mukha na to si Tenny ma-filter na nato atong istorya and all. But anyway, I'm really excited sa atong topic for today.
Muna ka ng makeup kay Kono because
Yes.
I have a feeling that
I really don't know where kay kag makeup. Ako gani I was really shocked because I was just pag human ako ligo and all. So I was just planning to do some powder and that's and a plumper. And plumper it's because someone requested yung mag-plumper daw ko no ko. So Savvy, shout out to Savvy.
Yeah,
So
hi,
nag-plumper na
Savvy.
ko. But that's it. So when I saw Lyle doing her thing before we started this episode, ko lang eyeshadow, blush. Kikis ko hala. Di ko mapapani ko mo to nga nagbutang ko karon pero super light.
Like I told him, Bash, we have to look our best because I feel like this episode is going to be controversial.
Our topic for today is what we're doing.
Oh, content creation.
Actually, content creation. So we are talking about content creators or content creations.
Okay.
Content creating, content creation, content creators, and especially we will tackle it from the kanang of the within the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Okay, just the Philippines content creators.
Yes.
So we want to talk about the content creators that we like, but most importantly, we want to talk about the content creators that we don't like. But I think it's normal. I think all of us actually naman kita yung mga ganahan o di ganahan yung mga content creators online.
Yes, and it's Kwan man said, it's our preference.
It's just worth sharing, di ba?
Yes.
Sa inyo hapon.
Yes, worth sharing. And then if you have if you have if you have like ng mga content creators, you can comment below.
Yeah.
And if you the worst content creators that you experience, or if you saw from their vlogs or anything, or any platform, social media platforms, you can comment then as well.
If there's any consolation, daghan man kong nalista po in fairness ng mga content creators that I like over the people that I don't like. It's probably because I am seeing them more on my social media because of the algorithms of social media, because the more you like them, the more contents or same contents nga mo show up sa imong feed.
Same as well if you subscribe. Masa, diba? The good thing is because if you like that content, or if you like that creator, automatically you subscribe, you want to be notified and all.
So makita nimo siya sa imong feed on a daily basis or whenever you go on social media.
God,
so yeah, let's
so
talk about
hot.
it.
Sige,
Oh
go.
my God.
Kasi what do you want to start, man? Na topic.
I want to start with, of course, a positive.
The
Topic
ones
na
that
negative.
we like.
The ones that we like.
Okay.
And can I have like at least 5?
So ani na lang
Just
para
our top 5.
top 5, and then first na ako, and then first na sa nimo. Then second na ako, second sa nimo.
Okay.
So dili na to all out now. 1 to 5 ako, and 1 to 5 for you. But at least ma-discuss na to why we
Let's
like
start
that.
with the least favorite.
Our fifth.
Your 5th.
Okay. My fifth would be
Oh my God, I can't even.
my fifth would be Small Laude.
Okay.
That'll be my fifth.
And why?
I really don't know. It's just that this is my take sa mga vlogs. Even though na kanang it's extravagant, it's unreachable, and then but the entertainment value is there. Dili ko masuya magtanaw niya sa iyang kadato. Malingaw ko, and I'm not wishing to be like her. It's just that ang iyang content is very funny.
It's entertaining.
Entertaining for me. It's not the funniest. It's not the kanang grabe kaayo ka kanang educational. It's just that it's just blurt out there. My life is like this, and like that. Ana mo nga daghan man yun ana nga content. Daghan man yun ana mga creators. That's why mana ko nga mo si small ako ganit, because others it's very cringy for me. Like they're too hard, too very they're very grabe sa explain sila mga paintings. I bought this from an auction and channeling.
And if there's any consolation, the good thing with Small is she's not the type of rich who is very cocky on social media.
Yes.
And whatever she shows on her content as well, she just shows it because she just wants to share it with people and not to really be cocky about what she has.
Muna
Which
mayon
is
ko nga,
okay,
mayon ko nga
diba?
kanang I like her because
It's very candid.
yes,
no?
if you say if she's pretentious, I think she's not, because until now I'm still watching man sa siyang mga siyang vlogs. That's why she's my fifth. How about you?
Yeah, me too. I also watch Small, but for my 5th, just because I can't really think of anyone else, because I guess I only really have top 4. I keep on forcing myself to think of the 5th one. But I think, honestly, when I go on YouTube, kay YouTube mo ko sa TV most of the time, I would normally, makita na ako sa akong feed, would be Malay's vlogs.
Melason
she's gonna be
family?
Yes, their family vlog.
Oh my God. Yeah.
So Malay is my 5th. I watch Kwan on One, but not all the time. But every time, besh kamutan ako, or every time I feel like the guest is very intriguing or interesting to watch. Mabuhakak jud ko mabuwag ko ni Malay, especially with the recent episode katong twins, George
Yes.
and Jai.
Si Josh and Jai, yeah.
Oh my God, I was like
As a nice kid
mabuang,
to, funny to siya.
laughing my ass off. Because she was like pretending to be Hiligay or Ilonggo.
Correct.
And katawanan kayo.
But
And then-
anyway, kung kinikay mo siyang fifth, basically, that vlog, Melason nga family, is my 4th.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so natin common. That's why may kung wala, sige, go.
And what I like about Malay, just to also back up my opinion, okay, aside from she's Bisaya, she's very natural.
True.
She doesn't even like she's acting like there's no camera around her.
Mm.
So whatever they do on a daily basis, or you see, how do you call it? What you see
What
is
you
what
say,
you
what you
get.
get. Yes.
Yeah,
Same,
that's the
no
thing with their family,
pretentious.
and even with their kids, they don't even have to. They're not pretending to be like the perfect kids, right? But you can really tell that
Not pretentious. No.
they're being raised well by their
Mm-mm.
parents. They're very close to God. They're very religious. Very the
And
good.
nice thing about Malay is kanang she pala, sorry, she doesn't aim for super expensive stuff.
Uh-uh.
Like she
Very
diba,
grounded.
grounded, and then every time i-interview siya, she always tells the interviewer nga I was raised na not
Mm-mm.
too long for something
You
expensive.
can really tell that she really had very good upbringing,
Yeah.
because you can see it from the way she acts, the way she handles criticism,
Yes, and then
and she
relatable siya.
also handles her fame.
Yes,
And
exactly.
diba, she's been in the industry for quite
For
a long time.
PBB pa, no?
Yeah, but you can really tell that she's consistent with everything. She's not faking it, because the moment you see Malay on PBB is still the same Malay that she is now, even if she already has kids, and most importantly, even if she already has the fame and money.
Correct. And then with that being said nga, the fame and all nga, she waited. She waited for her time to shine.
Mm-mm.
So she wasn't pushy, she wasn't
Mm-mm.
that attack,
Mm-mm.
she wasn't that hungry for fame, because I've watched her interviews, some of her interviews na she gave herself 2 years, I think,
Mm-mm.
in show business. Then all of a sudden, 10 years ang siguro siya. I don't know how many years is she in the business. So I think muna siya, if sometimes you're too much kan ba, grasping for that ambition of yours, sometimes it slips. And
Yeah,
then
that's
kanang
true.
dili ta makahuwat sa atong right time. I think they said na you just have to wait for the right time. But of course, that right time will not come to you if you will not work sad, if you will
Mm-mm.
not go start a step
Mm-mm.
to reach that ambition or to reach the dream. So
Yes.
anyway, she
And
did
what I
already said she
correct.
did reach that dream because nag-start po siya sa
Mm-mm.
gagmay, and then
And what I really like about Malay is the fact that we all know that her kids are like a huge contributor of her fame right
mm,
now, because
of that
as far
viral
as I
kaan.
know, her fame went a little downhill,
Mm-mm.
right? And then because of the viral videos that her kids made, candidly,
Exactly, about katong chicken nuggets,
nibalik yung fame, but she actually didn't use her kids to be at the front line of her career right
Mm-mm.
now. She's still showing the best that she could as a comedian, entertainer, content
As a
creator, as
host.
a host, and everything else. It's not just about her kids. She's telling the world, nga, I will have my fame on my own,
Yes.
and not because of my kids, or kailain mo gud na ubang interpretation diya sa social media sometimes when we use the kids
In kaan
a lot of
times
times in terms of like social media or like content creator or content creation. It seems like
unsa naman siya, murag
mura siya child labor.
gigamit ang
Because you are
gigamit
actually
ang
earning money
bata
out of,
for
yeah,
work and to
but
earn money.
wala mo kay issue ana personally, because it's their life, it's their content, it's their internet, it's their social media, so they have all the right.
Exactly, mao said. Pero of course, anang kung yung kaning mga ni kids ni Melay and Jason, if they really want to join yun ana sad sa mga kanang vlogs or sa
Oo,
mga
but
content, if they love it and that they wanted it, why not, di ba?
oo, you can really tell nga it's actually really the
It's
kids.
not forced.
Oo, ang kids ang gusto
Mm,
mo pila-pila sa video, right?
correct. And si Melay, I think si Melay man gani one interview again ni ana siya nga she wants to edit it out because basig kanang too much na kayo ba o
Oh,
ila
eh,
kuno kayo
nakaayo.
ana
Okay. Yeah, I heard
but
that.
nana yung editor nga no, it's really funny. I
Mm-mm.
find it very funny. Tas nana siya nga sige try, then that went viral.
Mm.
Boom. So
Okay,
na
and
siya.
then for the fifth
Yeah, that's why
spot,
my fourth, of course, the same thing. It's
That's why
Melasan
we're
Gapon,
okay.
just Mela and Jason. So to add it up, ako why fourth siya? It's because um kung siya naturally funny, and then ganahan ko siyang humor. That's it. And then I saw her movie katong sa Korea. It was really funny.
Mm.
Mala ko it wasn't the best movie ever, diba? So but it was funny. It was nice.
As in, very
Mm.
funny. But I don't really I really don't watch them a lot, but they're just part of my top 5. I really can't think of anyone else to be on
Okay.
my list. My fourth would be Erwan.
No naman niya. Oy, pali-palihan na lagi ta. Pero like
Ay,
siya nga
Erwan,
itong
sige.
ranking. But
Oh my God.
but he's not my fourth.
Ay, wala na mo nang gistoryaan ha,
Ah.
ever.
Sige,
Fourth is
Erwan is your
Erwan.
fourth.
Okay.
But, oh my God.
Murag makuha na nako tanan nimong idea noon because I'm
Fe-
like,
Feeling ako na sa
starting.
sunod.
okay.
Sige,
Okay.
Erwan mo. Because Erwan is,
Erwan,
I really love
because
Erwan.
ganahan ko kasi yung content, very educational.
Mm.
And if it's not because of Erwan, dili ko makakita sa ubang mga lugar sa Philippines that are actually
Mm-mm.
grabe ka interesting. The culture, the food,
Yes.
oh my God, the places that he's going constantly.
Mm-mm.
And apart from all of those things, lami kay paminahon man si Erwan Bash.
Yes, correct. Di ko mo comment kay now siya sa akong top 3.
Oh my God.
So,
Si
hindi na ko
Erwan
gibo
is
asa siya nga kuan bear. I'm gonna say yes to it.
Although I have been missing some of although I have been missing some of his videos.
So you're not
now.
following him.
I am, but Mo gani he's on my top 4
Okay.
because I don't really watch him a lot, but I really like Erwan. And
Mm-mm.
every time makakita ko interesting videos online, I would really watch it.
Mm-mm.
Although dili kay kumutan sa mga cooking shows,
Yes, okay.
but like traveling, discovering
Mm-mm.
the culture, the Philippines as a whole is very entertaining. Mura siya kay MJS nga lami nga lalaki.
Okay.
To top that off, crush gina ko sa Erwan.
Okay, mo sad. Of course, he's a good-looking guy.
Yes.
Masawa pa jud Ann Curtis and oh my
Mm.
God. Anyway, so your third kaan.
Mana kasi mong fourth?
Yeah, nala ko si kuan last
Oh my
one.
God, my third. Ako na? Ikaw
Oh,
muna.
Ako na,
Ah,
my
sige.
third. So my third would be Abby Marquez.
Kinsan ho?
Oh my God. Though kuan, ang sa niya siya
Abby
kani Abby Marquez. She's a chef. I think she's just a chef. Kanang mag-cook siya kanang
Kana
mag-glasses na
mag-eyeglass?
siya.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Kana siya. It started as a
Ah.
reel. She started as
And I
kanang reel
think she's
siya.
part of Erwan's team.
That I don't know. Pero
Yeah,
siya
I
akong
guess she is
I
part
always
of
watch
the
her. I always watch her reels, and I always watch her kanang mga cooking mga cooking tips,
team.
mga how do you call it? Mga ways of how to innovate food, like kanang from lumpia to kuan kanang himuon niyang something Pinoy.
Mm-mm.
And she's an award-winning She
Award-winning.
award-winning
content creator.
kuan. I think sa content creating.
Okay.
And then sa food category, I think she
Mm.
won. Yeah, I know she won, and congratulations to that. I'm gonna research that kung unsa siya next, and I'm gonna tell you about what is it sa next natong mga episode. But yes, I watch her reels all the time. Like matulga mura na siya tungod sa food. It's
Actually,
very
I've
Pinoy
really
take.
noticed, imuha bash, every time makakita ko kung sino mong tanawon, most of the time mabantayan ako yung mga food.
Oh, I really love kanang
dessert.
dessert, Because I really love it. It's because kanang kuan siya kanang makaingon ka ba nga I can do it ba? Kanang mabuhat na ko siya.
Like
So that
mga
means
DIY nga mga.
yes, mga DIY. And then if I watch yung mga inaanak ng mga cooking shows ba, or cooking content or
Homemade videos.
cooking vlogs, I make sure nga reachable ang ingredients. What I mean reachable? Kanang attainable. Like, unsa ta, kanang di na ko manghita.
Okay.
Di na ko
Like things that are just in your kitchen.
In my kitchen or ato nimo sa supermarket, dili na ka mangutan sa asang kuan,
Asang
kuan,
saffron.
asang minana, asang mga kanang unsa ning mga herbs and all ana. So of course naman dito yung mga kailangan mga herbs, but not all stores mamaligyan na.
Actually.
So when ana siya, and then ginaan ko niya, it's because she knows how to make it more affordable. And then she has this vlog said nga kanang when she was in college, ang iyang gamiton besh is rice cooker in cooking everything.
Really?
Wala siya frying pan, wala siya stove. And then nakaiko nga, oh my God, kanang tinuod na sa jud cause nakaluto ba ako rice cooker before sa rice cooker.
Uy, of course.
Mm,
Kasuwain ako.
miski
A lot
magprito
of
ka,
times.
makaprito ba ka sa rice
Oo.
cooker, dugay lang.
Kana mag-board ka sa una
Mm.
magagmay kay mga places.
Yes,
Mao ginagamit.
I like her, and then she had this collaboration with who's this guy who's kaning daddy nga mag-glasses na mag-cook.
Ninong Rai?
I think Ninong Rai,
Ay.
nasa ana,
Okay.
nasa sila duha, nasa collab, makita na ako sila permi.
Malingaw man sa ko Ninong Rai, but the thing is, my only problem with food vlogs or like mukbang, gutomon ako, besh. And then that's going to be a problem if gutomon ako because wala man ko tayong mahimo, makaon man gid ko.
But no, Bash, for me ang ilang content is not mukbang. I consider mukbang is a different
Okay.
different kind
Pero
of
like them
fun.
cooking,
Mm-mm.
gutomon ko, besh. Kaya mura ko makasimot ko.
Okay. So mula ka lang mag-crave na inong ka. Ako
Wala
ganahan
na
siya ko niya.
this video.
That's my third one, Abby Marquez. If people don't know her, I think everybody knows her. Daghan ka siya followers,
Sorry,
millions yung
wala-
subscribers.
Sorry. I know her face but not really.
Kanang
her
mag-glasses.
name lang.
Kanang
siya lagi.
nadya siya sa kitchen niya.
Yeah.
Tapos kanang siya ang una na kanang kanang mulamba og mga stuff.
Okay.
Kanang,
I like it.
I think
like
siya,
her.
she's the few of other chefs nga kanang paswas kanang maganda sa mga nice, and then magkuhan siya mga ingredients, and then na siya mga hugot nga mga lines while cooking, and siya. I tried to nagsugod ko na niya TikTok, and then all of a sudden nakuha siya sa YouTube and all. Nato na follow na ko, subscribe na ko niya, and then I really love mula ganahan ko kanang food nga dali na ko maluto, dali na ko makuha, and then makayon ka pwede di ay
Yes, ganahan ko.
nasin ana nga hala pwede di ni ikuan, pwede di ni lumpia wrapper. Yung ana nga
Yes.
thing. So that's it.
Actually, ang akong third
Third,
sad
yes.
kay mura siya somehow related sa imuha kay more on DIY pud siya.
Dyan siya
No,
siya.
but although sa lahi siya nga category,
Mm.
akong third is Slater Young.
The Slater Young Show.
Yes, ang iya haragid nga channel.
Okay.
Just Slater Young.
Okay.
I think biased because currently I'm really into construction.
Correct.
Because
Bago pa.
The
Yes.
construct man mi diba sa amua. So I find his vlogs or videos very educational and informative to me because like I said, I'm into construction right now and I really need to learn a lot of things in terms of like sustainability and like making sure that whatever you're spending on or you're investing in is worth it.
Correct.
Diba?
Of course, it's because it's something that kan ba imong dream about, and then all of a sudden dapat jud siya nindot, and then durable, and then magdugay siya.
And there are actually a lot of things that I've learned from his vlogs.
Mm-mm.
Although daghan mga engineers nga ga vlogs or
Yes.
content creators, but I find him more relatable because he's Bisaya.
Mm.
Because nagi times nga very candid magbisaya ra gid si Slater og kalit, which I really appreciate.
Mm-mm.
No, kay dili man ta magbugsanay kung mag-English hindi man tag English all the time.
Correct.
And na-inspire ko sa how he finished their Skypod, the way they're renovating it right now,
Kung
and
hindi
all
ka
of
bash,
his
feeling ako mo
projects.
nag-skater ka, then nag-Erwan sad ka, mamili ka gwapo.
Ay, dili
Nga
na
mga-
ko plastic.
Nga content creator.
My God, yes.
Mo na plastic
I-
jud. Dili ka magplastic, plastic jud ka kay mga gwapo, and then mga tsaka pag yung na kog kuan. Kanang
No, ganahan
Need
ko.
you ka
Gwapo
pa.
magitsad sila. And then, nindot sila paminawon. But, with Slater, mutanaw ko, he doesn't actually upload videos very frequently.
Mm-mm.
Naragi times, but every time nga na siya upload, tanawon gid nako. Because I find it interesting, and napa na siya connection later with which I would also talk about sa akong mga next nga rankings.
Marag the feeling ako kinsa nung kuan.
Oo, so maula na siya. There's nothing much to talk about his vlogs, but
Mm-mm.
I find his channel very interesting. Mo na nakabutang siya sa akong third.
Okay. I'm not into kanang super big constructions lately. I'm into kuan karon. I'm into
Mga tiny spaces.
tiny spaces,
Mm-mm.
container trucks, and ana siya ba. I really love that. So, pero di man Pinoy akong gitan-awan ha. So dili siya mapasok sa banga.
Mm-mm. And with Slater Bash, he actually has helped me a lot in making decisions. And there were a couple of decisions I've made before. Actually, was still planning to do, And then, siya nakaparealize ako abang, oh my God, sayop di ay na siya buhaton sa construction.
Lo,
So,
dako jud impactful jud is.
Impactful. So, later,
Ala,
kung budget
uy,
mo man.
my God, makuan jud ko.
Wala ay budget ni
Murag
Slater.
masuko yung wife ani kay murag grabe na jud kay
Ay,
mo
dili
paghanga
naman
ni
hyping.
Slater yang.
Nakita na ba ni Slater?
Hala, uy, muna siya. Kaya ba ko nga mga gwapo-gwapo dyan yung mga pili siya mga gwapo. But anyway,
Okay,
so that would
interesting.
be our third.
Mana kasi mong third?
Yes, of course. Nalala ko si Abby Marquez.
Yours-
So,
oh my God. Top 2, you guys.
my top two would be, oh
Your
my
second?
God, my second would be, this would be a very interesting one. And I think, ma-explain ako why. Kano kagtanong ako dito? Nagalan siya ko, my top two, gato siya nagtanong. Anyway, my top two would be, oh my God, this is it. Drum roll, please. The Karen Davila.
Oh my God, Bash.
Yes,
Okay,
I'm not kidding.
ma-interrupt na lang ko. It's a tie.
At, oh my God,
Karen Davila
palihalagi
is
siya.
also my second.
It was ako, I really don't know. Daghan man sila. I'm sorry ha. Daghan man good sila. First, sige, I'll blur it out. Daghan sila newscasters or mga kanang TV personalities sa news department nga nagbuhat nagmingan ana.
Ni venture na
They venture in
vlogging.
ana vlogging, so they do content creating na said in a way. But I really don't know why Karen Davila is usa sa akong mga kanang I find it very, how do you call it? Another word, yes, interesting siya. Yung mga guests, of course, mga top tier ng mga guests niya, and then how she tried to reveal their lifestyle, how she interviewed them, how she toured the houses. Di na nakumukuhan, it's because it's Karen Davila, newscaster ba siya. Ang ako ba is, how she make it work in a way nga dili hambugira tan-awo ng iyang guest. So all the time mo jud ako sige tan-aw siya mga vlogs, sige tan-aw siya mga episodes, mo na mag-wait ko sa iyang Karen Davila show. And then of course kanang kuan intriga jud ang iyang show.
Yes. Oh my God, yes.
Yeah,
We're gonna talk about it. It's like Karen Davila.
The intriga jud iyang show.
To be honest, some of her vlogs are like exposing.
Of course, when you try to read the comment section, if you try to check some of her mga gipang guests dito, when you try to read the comment sections, especially kana mga dag-an kay views.
So some of you guys already have an idea as to what she's doing somehow with some of the people she's inviting on her vlog. But I find it very interesting because I think she's actually doing something else, which is still right up her alley. The vlog actually with the newscasters or mga reporters who are venturing to vlogging, that's still right up their alley because they're still doing like
yes. And she's doing it in a
journalism.
subtle way and a funny way.
Oo.
I really don't know. Kalang na siya entertaining magud kayo nga you got to know that person even though you don't know them. You just have nakana na nimo sila sa Google or makita nimo sila sa mga kining top nga mga kuan. They're the top chuva of the Philippines and all.
Ang ako
Mashock na lang ka nga. Huh? Then ginterview mo na siya di ka.
Correct.
It was really,
It's really
makuan ko na,
nice
may
to
intriga ko, na makaana sad ko nga, oh yeah, there's something sad ani niya, di ba?
Mura ka
Makaingan
na, is she really asking this question?
Oh my
because
God,
she really wants to know?
naki-pronoun na. She, dahil si Karen
Kasi
mag-gimin.
Karen ba, is she
Okay.
really asking these questions to her guests because she's curious or she wants the public to know about it?
Okay,
She wants to put it out there.
Correct.
The information that the public needs to know. Mga
Correct.
things like that. And I don't know with you guys if you've noticed or nakabaw mo unsa kinsa nga mga guests ang among pasabot, but we have watched a couple of vlogs nga mag-anak mini siya nga, interesting. But the very good thing with Karen because she has a very compelling presence, which sometimes dili naman notice sa iyahang guest nga she's actually doing something else, and I don't want to expose her, but that's just our opinion. But one thing that I like about her, that's why she's on my second list, is that she's very relatable.
Correct.
That's
the word.
Makatawa siya mga
Appear.
Oh my God.
And then, mukha siya, mo request siya appear ka maano siya.
Mamugos
Mamugos siya appear.
And then,
and then of course kanang hello everyone that would
Hello, everyone.
that's my kanang si Tiny kanang mo start na di kog smile ana and then ang iyang dili man ko siya super dagang questions. It is just that, for example, if it's a house tour or what's it ni kanyang mga resort tour, just showing everyone how successful this person is. Ano siya ba? Inala ang iyang approach, and then all of a sudden, ang ganahan ko ni Carrie is because correct, she's very compelling in which ikaw nga guess, ikay mo story nga wala nakapangutanan niya, ikaw na mo chika.
Yeah.
Inala siya, di ba?
And I really like this side of Karen ba doing kanang relatable stuff because most of the time we see her as a very kuan ba kanang stiff person
so on newscaster ko as an anchor woman.
Yes.
So inana siya ba? So this one is very very kuan siya laid back. The pinaka-funny siya nako was with Matteo Giticelli na video. Oh my God, that was
like the funniest.
That was
top
tier. That was
Of
conjured
all her
as
vlogs.
in grabe siya makaingon siya ko nga lingaw siya ko then ngadto ko nakaingon nga kuwang na lang mamalikas si Karen Davila sa na-experience.
Kaya nakasala yung underwear. And Mona, daghan ko ganahan siyang vlogs because aside from of the fact nga she's doing house tour which
Yes.
ganahan kita mo tan-aw
Pag
especially
ganun kita, Filipino likes to watch mga house tours. It's because they kanang given muhatag og inspiration or muhatag og idea nga pwede di ni so dili man ko ka-afford ana so ngitog alternative nga mas barato rin ana so makayon ana sila ba.
Yeah, and I like this side of Karen Davila ba nga she's actually a relatable person, a funny, and could actually go crazy as opposed to what we actually usually see her on TV nga kanang usa na head start
kanang mga inaay na
TV
kaya basta yung TV
Patrol.
Patrol and of course Besh, let's not let's not be plastic, the connections she has
with all of her
my
guests.
God mabuang siya ko nga she made a connection with one of the richest people in the Philippines but then rubbing elbows with them. My God, I won't drop names, pero makita na dyan ninyo sa iyang vlog, sa iyang, so what they call this, yung channel. My God, may kung nga, okay. Of course, ako, once in a while, man, sa ko nga, kanang, how I wish nga, kanang, I could be with Karen Davil, or Karen Davil will interview us. Charot lang. Baki naman, charot.
Pero some of her vlogs, actually, I would really say, oh my God, ako na isulti mo siya ganang investigative journalism.
Lagi. As in, promise.
Expose. Makayon ka ba nga, I know, probably like 2 weeks from her vlog, from that video, Nanay News nga, BIR is already...
Pero of course, ang comment man sad good mo, tanong ko sa mga comments sad sa inikakuani mo, nasa siya mga hints ang mga tao, mahatag og mga comments.
Yeah, because some people, kano ba, no?
And then, nato sila ma-shock nga. Nato sila ma-shock nga, ay, ako gani katong imong gi-mention nancho I don't know her. Some kay kasagan babae man, 'di ba? I don't know her, I don't know them. Pero pag ano ko lang, okay mo din siya. So all of a sudden shock na ko headline. Yes.
Gibalita na siya. Oh my God.
But anyway, mo na
siya.
Ko
nga, oh my God, is it because of Karen? And we found it very interesting and very kanang entertaining ba, but if we're gonna think about it really deeply, makayon ka,
is it coincidence or just wala lang?
Is she really being paid to do that? Or it's her? Just her.
That way, no.
Okay, enough for the second. I
guess
guess
we're done. So my first is of course you mentioned it a while ago. It's Erwan.
Oh my God, first is Erwan.
Yeah. He's my first. Number one is because.
Wala ko kita ni mo nag-watch ka na plastic ka.
Watch ka ni Erwan. Siya akong first nga kanang gitanaw siya sa vlogs. Dili man ko magpakita ni mo kay ang imong tan-awon ni Erwan, ang iya buong naong so di ang content.
Abag gani ang naong imong giingon.
Unsa pa? Hapit na ako isulti Pero of course, pero ba nga why I like Erwan? Oh, ikaw kinsa imong first
My first Sky Fam.
Di ba? I knew it.
Chris Oy. Of
course, you are a... You're a...
Huh?
What's it tawag ninyo ni Chris?
Crazy Ones.
Crazy Ones. Wala siya. Bias siya sa Sky Fam. But anyway, di siya bias. Gano'n man siya.
Pero like, Sky Fam na magid ang tawag karon, but I
Karon,
have been
Crizoy.
Crizoy good since lookbook pa nga days.
Sige, let's start with you. Why Crizoy? Why Sky Fam, number 1?
Ambot lang gid bash. Kay since unsa man nga year? 2010, 20 mga lookbook pag yung mga years.
Do you have a book, di ba?
Oo, na
Niya?
niya na ako diha.
Wala ka diha. Sige, pakita daw ko ni mong book. Sige
No,
na.
dili ako bukang Chris nga book.
Wala kay Chris yung book and then naka diha, di ba?
Na ako diha.
Pero at least kung makita sa si Chris bang, oh my God.
Siguro siya na ako eh. There have been a couple of occasions na nakita na sa ni.
Mm-mm.
And kato nag-dinner with kato akong kung kauban sa Forward before.
Nakita mo.
Oh, with Slater.
And then, hi, hello.
And then nakaabot pa ko siyang mga ex, siyang ex, not really.
Grabing mga aha.
Dili mga, but yung ex.
Okay.
And kanang,
What's with
na ako ang journey.
Sky Fam or Chris
With
Oy
Chris.
nga nung number 1 siya sa imong mga top mga channels na tanawon sa
with
social
Chris
media?
it's actually opposite because she's not relatable. I can't relate to her. She's very rich. She's very maarte.
Exactly.
But
True.
because of her kaartihan and everything that she has, it actually inspires me. Diba? So, yung ang impact sa ako, makayon ko nga, di ko ka-relate ni Chris Oy, but I wanna do the things that she actually does.
I saw some of her and it's because you influenced me.
Mura ako
Honestly,
mga friends kayo, influence ako ni Chris.
Well, influenced me to watch Sky Fam. So at first I was hesitant. It's because kanang di ko ka-relate. It's kanang di ko ka-relate why? Kanang
Domesticated nga
domesticated siya nga vlog pero di siya domesticated nga pinobre. Domesticated siya nga dinato.
Ano ka ba?
But di ba kasi kung ganyahan, why? Ma-learn mo ang mga things, for example, hair thickening, yung mga panggamit ng mga kuan, kaya siya ba nga in which, some point in our life, makasave man tag-kwarta, makapalit ta ato ba, and then matry nato siya nga, oh my God, pwede ni sa ako, nakuan siya na ako, ni-work siya for me.
Diba? Dagang kasi istorya, pero wala na na-appeal si Chris sa top 5.
Kasi, di man, wala mo ko ni-subscribe niya.
Oh my God, I hate you!
Wala pa ko ni-subscribe niya.
mo.
Kasi bago pa man ko
Otherwise, I'm not gonna upload this episode.
Karon pa siya ni-influence ako about and then kanang si Tagani dili man siya kay ko kanang si Tagani higilig kay sig mag-follow og mga vlogs and then mo subscribe sa mga channels. Pero karon na siya ko ni Kwan, it's because everybody's doing it. Why not join them? Why not join the bandwagon, diba? So muna.
Also, it's sa tanang mga kailan ako na I think most of my friends kabaw gid sila. Si
Fan
Chris
siya
Oy
ka.
gid akong like
So no paano siya wala na siya no questions asked. Chris Oy yung number 1.
She's my king of content creators. Okay.
Kansa siya makita mo sa miski di ka mo mention kay ba na ko.
And I'm really obsessed kaning word niya, obsessed with her. But not kanang kanang negative na obsession.
Lalaki
na
ka ba?
Na ako yung mga
lalaki na ka ba? Ganina Slater. Pero si Chris nasa ang couple mo siya di mo gusto. Ang couple mo siya di mo gusto, no?
Ano kanang ilang circle.
Correct.
Kanya kanang I actually bought some of her. Mo support gid ko niya all the way.
Mo lagi na.
Aside from the fact na nagkakita na me a couple of occasions.
Yes, kanang mga lipstick na gamito niya, dahil makibaw ka kung ni work ba sa iyan, then kung what ni work na sa Sheila yung gamiton, yun na kibaw, yun ana ka siguro, yung ana ka fan, ba?
I want to support her, but I'm supporting her because I also like the things that she's showing on social media, like kung unsa yung i-promote things that are actually really working and she's using. She's endorsing things that
iyang gamiton.
She and her family is using. Like kanang mga diapers ni Scotty and ni
Scotty and Savvy.
Ni Savvy. They both are using it.
And then they're back o Saxon.
Si Saxon. And all of the things that
Kibaw
she's
ko,
actually...
subscriber, kibaw ko.
All of the things that she is showing or endorsing on social media are the things that actually is working or works for her. And the things that actually do not work, iyan mo pong isulti.
Nakasad.
Diba?
And then, my number 1 is Erwin Yusaf. Of course. Number 1, it's because love din ako si Ann Curtis. And then, na-excite na happy ko nga nakadayon sila. But the nicest part about Erwin, it's because ang iyang journey from person who kanang dako baya siya before.
Yes, yes.
Diba? So, ang iyang journey sa iyang food, sa iyang lifestyle, iyang exercise, ang iyang agian ba, just to gain and to maintain that body now. Very kwan kayo nako, very inspirational for me, inspiring kayo ba. So that's the reason nga ganahan ako siya. And then third is lami siya mo storya bash. And then while cooking, murag kibaw ka kanang infectious kay siya mag-cook. Dili lang ang food imong ganan kanon. Yes.
Like hindi mong chika.
And then kuan sad and then karon nga na father na siya, i-incorporate niya, i-collaborate niya yang si Dahlia. Good miss kasi ana ba. And then ang iyang food mana ka nga it's a healthy food nga iyang ikuan, pero magayon siya ka nga dili ka ma-deprive to eat. It's because kinahanglan sa ka mo eat. Kanain ana ba? He's very good at that. And then of course ang yang lawas karon nindot na kaayo. That's why I really like his vlog and I really like his channel or his content. It's because of that. And then kada bang he knows how to maintain his body.
Very health conscious.
Health conscious siya. And then of course kinsa man say I'm not kinsa man say ganahan, kinsa man say dili ganahan nga manindot siya tatong lawas.
And one thing that I also want to piggyback on your comments kang Erwan. One of the things that I also wasn't able to mention is si Erwan dili siya arty bash.
Correct.
Bisag
correct.
Kanabit tayo mga food vlogs. Bisag unsan na ipakaon sa street food. Bisag na mga times nga, oh my God, these are the mga type of food. Hindi na to kaunon.
Hindi na to kaunon mo ka.
Pati mo kaon siya o siya arte.
And then, dami siya mo kuan. Kabang ganahan siya kanang ang iyang palate ba kanang murag maka-taste og bag-o. Ganahan ko
He really wants to explore
and then
food.
Kaya ba, how do you call it? Miski mag-usap siya mo siya kalami siyang gikaon. Ang gikaon.
So lahi na imo ha bench. Dili na siya kanang.
But of course, part ba siya kung mao ganahan ka na, it's because visual. Because when you sum it up, mga anak jud katanan everything imong gusto ganahan, it's because imong nakitaan.
Okay.
Visual.
All right. So
anyway, that's it. That's our top 5
favorite content creators.
And this is my favorite part na sad is our worst. Shut up.
Okay, mga di na mo ganahan yung content creators.
No, I'm not gonna mention names. It's just that ang mga content na
ako
I
won't drop names too. I also just want to clarify nga tanan-tana atay mga likes and dislikes on social media, and I think that's normal. And we just want to share it with you guys because probably magkasinabot na.
Correct.